एंड आई थिंक लाइक वो थोड़ा सा ज़ाहिर है, इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन पावर डायनामिक्स एज वेल. समटाइम्स फैमिली के अंदर when all the factors that are playing, sometimes it's not just like the men in the house. Sometimes women also facilitate some sort of violence happening. I think like वही सास बहू का जो मसला होता है उसमें it's common कि in my own experience I've seen like कि in some of the cases कि जहाँ पर जो सास थी उसने, and it is very common like हमारे सोसाइटी में इस तरह की स्टोरीज भरी पड़ी हुई हैं. बट I've seen that too. I don't know like what triggers that, what makes those women become puppy and that saas who become that evil entities जो कि घर का सुकून बर्बाद कर देती हैं. But yeah, I mean like I think in some form those things are interlinked to societal norms and the power dynamics. They don't want to probably lose control over the man in the house who's earning. It's just a complex topic. I don't want to go into details. Yeah.
This is such an interesting topic and you always come back to things जिसमें मैं लंबा बोलना शुरू हो जाऊंगी. So power dynamics and all sorts of things, and I absolutely hate this cliche of people are like औरत की दुश्मन होती है. Like this point of other women in the house making life difficult for other women in the house, it's if you really break it down, it's all about validation. It's all about validation from the male in the family. So if some woman is not being supportive of another woman in the house, bahu, whatever, bhabi, nonsense, it's because they're seeking the validation of the man in the house. They want to be the man's favorite. It's always about like I want to be a preference for this man. So it's about वो unnecessarily आदमी को एक पेडेस्टल के ऊपर चढ़ा देते हैं ना, कि वो आदमी पेडेस्टल पे चढ़ा हुआ है कि वो हमारे लिए प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, वो हमारे घर का बड़ा है. All these really outdated concepts जो बहुत फॉलो हो रहे हैं. So it's about validation basically.
Yeah. But also like I think like it मेरे ख्याल से एक और वही पेट्रियार्की वाली बात जो है वो sometimes it's also about again power dynamics. I mean even if the women in the house, if she has the control over resources, so then she becomes that person. So maybe like it has less to do in some cases with the gender but more with the dynamics going on within the family.
Sure, of course there's a lot. Personality has got to play a big role in it, of course, and of course family dynamics बहुत play करते हैं.